everybody, so it is Michelle and today we're going to be thrifting. I'm going to take you along with me on my thrifting adventures. I'm also here with my friend Carol. Hello! We also have her boyfriend here, but he's hiding. He doesn't want to be in the vlogs. But we are at Goodwill. So on today's agenda, I'm going to try look for some tops, mainly like crop tops. For bottoms, I'm going to be looking for some like long flowy pants. I also want to look for some cute like interesting purses, and then also belts. I'm going to be looking for specifically a brown belt. So yeah, that's what we're looking for today. Are you looking for anything?
No.
She's just here.
I'm just here for the ride.
Yeah. Okay. So let's head inside and see what we can find. This bag is super cute. I love this Monstera detail. It's $9.99, but I think it would make a really cute beach bag. It's from Chico's and it's pretty spacious. Kara just found this skirt. This is actually super cute, but yeah, it's kind of big, yeah. It's a size 12. But you could like size it down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Found these two belts and they're both brown belts. This one and this one. But I think this one is actually perfect and it's only 99 cents.
It was 99 cents.
So I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, Kara found this other really cute dress, or is it a romper?
I think it's a dress.
It's so cute. You finding the good shit today. Damn, girl. So I also found this like beige ribbed dress and I tried it on and it fits really well. So I think I'm gonna get it. I don't know if I would trust this. Very questionable. Look at these shoes. They're little kid shoes apparently, but I feel like I could fit in these. I'm gonna try them. Oh my gosh. These says these are kid shoes. They're 4? I'm a 7, but I can fit them. Oh, wow. Ooh, hey, those are cute too. Oh my god, and they fit you?
Yeah.
What in the world? You should get those. Those are so cute. Oh my god, don't fall. Those are so cute.
Like
ooh. Yeah, they're like soft boots.
Soft boots.
They have like a chunky heel too, so
Yeah.
are they easy to walk in?
Yeah, they're very comfortable. I could run.
Oh my gosh. There she goes. That's a true test. 13 bucks? Yeah, that's not bad. Ooh, found some red bottoms.
Look at this.
$12.99. There are these really cute mules too. I already have mules, but these are $9.99. Oh my gosh, but they fit me perfectly. Oh my god, you're finding like so many good things today. What the heck? She's a size 5, so she can never find shoes that fit her, but these actually fit her, which is amazing.
But I'm glad we came.
Yeah, okay, I have these mules on now.
Those ones are nice. I like those.
Yeah, these are actually, they're $9.99.
Oh my gosh.
And they look really good, like brand new too.
I got like the exact same ones almost.
Yeah.
From Nordstrom for like $30. So
Oh
that's a
dang.
good deal.
When I first saw these, I was like, oh, I'm not gonna buy it. But then I'm like, dang. Oh, these are like perfect. Ah, I don't know. I think I might actually buy these. I'm like kind of into these too, like this platform. I don't know, kind of into it. And this leather. It's $7.99. Okay, Kara just looked at the bottom and tiny problem.
You could hide things in it.
You could smuggle some things in there.
Maybe it's a sign. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't need this.
Bye. Luckily, mine are okay. Okay, so I just dropped Kara and Matt off and I stole another friend, Tia! So she's gonna come thrifting some more with me, but now we're gonna head into town. So I think I wanna go to Savers and Goodwill. I've got my bag of stuff back there. So let's go!
It's not easy,
So I'm looking through the shorts right now. Found a couple of interesting things. This was quite interesting. I mean, I know snake skin is like making a comeback, but like this is a lot. There was this pair of shorts that were kind of cool with the color blocking. I'm definitely more into high-waisted things. This is a little low for me. Remember when anything and everything had all these rose embroidery patches on them? Now they're just like flooding all the thrift stores. This is like a super cute pair of jeans. I really like that it's super high-waisted, but it's so tiny and it's only $5.99, which is pretty good. Yeah, I definitely can't fit this either. Like, I put it up to me and yeah, it would it was way too small. Yeah, I don't even know what brand this is. Oh, it's from Topshop. Dang. So I'm in the shoes section now. I really like this pair of, oh my gosh. What in the world? I keep dropping things here. I like this two-tone thing going on with this pair of sandals. These are size 7. I used to have Steve Madden sandals just like this and they were my favorite. Oh, they fit really well too. There are these espadrille white leather sandals too. I like the little platform. Yeah, I like the white, super summery. Okay, I'm looking through the skirts right now and I came across this super cute gingham wrap skirt. It has a little ruffled trim, $6.49, which isn't too bad, but you know, I think I'm gonna get this or at least try it on because this is so cute. Here's a Brandy Melville John Galt high-low skirt. If this front part was like the same as the bottom, I would totally buy this because I'm really looking for like a midi skirt right now and this would be perfect. I really like this print too. I also found this denim pencil skirt and it's like a maxi length, but I really like how simple and sleek it is. I haven't seen one like this before and I think it's super cool. It even has a slit on the side. Here's the brand and it has a zipper on this side. Yeah, this piece is really cool. I love this little midi skirt. It's kind of like a snake skin type of pattern. Definitely reminds me of those cheetah / leopard print skirts that you see fashion bloggers wearing nowadays. I don't think I could pull this lime green color off, but I think this is also another really pretty midi skirt. And I really like this floral pattern on it. Just came out of Savers. I got one thing. Look at how she got. Dang! So we just got back to the car and Tia got this really cute, it's a romper actually, but it looks like a dress and it has a wrap detail. It was $6.49. Damn, get the deals. Oh my god, I can't read. Okay, we just made it into Goodwill. I used to have shorts like this in middle school and they used to be my absolute favorite. This visor is really cute and it's $3.99. Okay, so I found this pair of American Apparel shorts. It's $5.99 and they have 2 zippers on the sides, but it's way too small for me. I could not even get this past my hips. Okay, so we just left Goodwill. I didn't get anything, but Tia got some stuff again. Okay guys, I'm back at Savers to pick up one thing. I'm crazy. Okay, I got these 2 white collared shirts and I'm thinking that I can just crop them like that or something. Okay, and then there's this one. This one is from Uniqlo and I really like that brand, but this neckline is not as relaxed as the other one. I put the first one back on and I think I'm just gonna go with this one. I like the more relaxed collar. This Uniqlo one also has some stains on the side and I don't want to have to bother with trying to get that out. Well, hello! So it is the next day and I have all of my thrift finds in this bag and I'm going to be going through them and doing a little try on haul. So all of the places that I went to, as you saw in the vlog, were Goodwill Kailua, Savers, Dillingham, and Goodwill Beretania. I actually went back to the first 2 places one more time because I'm crazy like that, and I didn't really find anything at Goodwill Beretania. So yeah, let's see what I got. I'm just gonna take everything out of the bag. Yep. There we go. Okay, so I got 7 items and we're gonna start off with Goodwill Kailua because that's where I went to first. So as I mentioned in the vlog, I got this ribbed bodycon midi dress and this is actually from Forever 21 and I just like it because I love this color. I've been really into neutrals lately and it looks really tiny but it's super duper stretchy. It was $6.99, which like isn't super cheap, but I think it's still pretty good for a dress. Thrifting in Hawaii is not as cheap as like if you're in the mainland, but I think it's still better than shopping fast fashion because I'm trying to kind of, you know, stay away from shopping fast fashion. Most of the things will be around this price, but I mean you can still find some really good deals. But I also just love thrifting because you never know where you're gonna find and it's just so much more satisfying to actually find a really cool item. The next thing that I got are these black mules. It's by the brand BP and I believe Nordstrom actually sells this brand and they look completely new, like brand new, never worn. The bottoms are totally clean, and I got these for $9.99. I do have mules exactly like this already, but those are just not comfortable. Like, I tried to convince myself that they're comfortable, but they're really not that comfortable. My other pair kind of digs into my foot around this area, but these are just like way more cushioned, so I'm super happy with these. And then finally I got this brown belt. As you saw, this was 99 cents.
It was 99 cents.
And it's exactly what I was looking for, and it fits me perfectly. Like, I didn't need to make any adjustments to this. I don't really have a brown belt yet, but now I do, and I'm super excited. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to what I found at Savers. So this is the first thing that I picked up, and it is this Gingham wrap skirt. I saw this and I was like, I need to have it. So luckily it's my size and it fits me perfectly. It's an extra small, and it's actually from Shein, and I don't actually remember how much this was. I believe this was like $6.49, but I just love the wrap detail. I'm so into wrap skirts, wrap dresses, and I also styled this in a lookbook that I filmed, and it is coming out very soon, so be on the lookout for that. And the second thing that I got from Savers, this is what I drove back to Savers to get. So we went to Savers, and then we went to Goodwill Beretania, and then I went back to Savers because I wanted to pick up this collared shirt, and it's just plain white. I'm planning to do a little thrift flip, so I'm just gonna crop it and turn it into a crop top. I think it would be very Brandy Melville-esque. But yeah, so I saw something similar to this at Goodwill Beretania, and the one that I found there was fine, except it had pit stains, so I did not want to buy it anymore. So I was like, oh dang it. I actually saw this the first time that we were at Savers, and I was like, oh, do I need this? Not really, so I didn't get it. But then after seeing the one at the Beretania Goodwill, I was like, oh, you know what, I think I want to go back. So we went back and I got this. I don't know, it's definitely not something that I would normally buy, but as a crop top, I think it would be really cute. So for this top, I cut off about 5 inches of fabric at the bottom and just redid the hem by hand sewing a running stitch. That's all I did. It's really simple and easy, and this is how it turned out. And finally, I went back to Goodwill Kailua because I was in the area, and I picked up 2 more items. So the first one is this belt. Yes, I got another belt. This one was $1.99, and I just thought this one was so cool because of this buckle situation. That's what it looks like, and I think it just looks really clean. It's definitely more of a casual belt with a little bit more of an edge, but I really like that because I don't have any belt like this. And again, I love the gold hardware. I'm definitely more of a gold girl than silver, even though I'm wearing silver jewelry today. I usually lean more toward gold though, but let me know what you prefer. And finally, I'm super excited about this find, and it is this pair of high-waisted Levi's skinny jeans, and it's clean, no distressing, and these fit me like a glove, and they were $7.99, which I think is a really good deal for a nice pair of jeans. And it looks like it's in perfect condition. This was probably barely worn, but now it's mine, and I know I'm gonna get some really good wear out of this. And this is the 721 high-rise skinny, and it's a size 28. Usually I'm like a size 26, but this one actually fits me really well, and the waist is something that I'm usually concerned about with jeans because usually the waist is too big for me, but this waist is nearly perfect for me, so I'm so excited about that. It doesn't go above my belly button though, which is something that I try to look for in jeans, but I think it's just really hard for me because I feel like my belly button is just really high on my body. I don't know. Let me know if you have that problem too. The only thing is that it's really long on me. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5'1", so I'm planning to also alter this and cut off a few inches and re-hem it. So for these jeans, I first cut off about 3 inches of fabric at the bottom, but I realized I shouldn't have done that because what I ended up doing was following a tutorial from another channel, Rokoli DIY. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce her name, but I'll link her video in the description box. And with her tutorial, I basically just moved the original hem up. So you would do this by just rolling the jeans up as far as you want the new hem to be and sewing a back stitch right under the original hem. I had to do some improvising since I already cut off the fabric, and I did a running stitch instead, but I still think it turned out really good after I cut off the excess fabric and ironed it down. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed thrifting with me today, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell to turn on my notifications. Also, leave a comment down below and you'll get a chance to be shouted out at the end of my next video. Let me know which item was your favorite that I thrifted today. My personal favorite is the gingham skirt. Check out my description box for more information. Follow me on my social medias and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!